Hey guys, today we're diving into dropshipping. If you've ever wanted to start your own online business but don't have the capital to invest in inventory, then dropshipping might just be the perfect solution for you. So let's get right into it. First things first, what exactly is dropshipping? Well, it's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means you never have to handle the product yourself or deal with inventory management. Now let's break down how dropshipping works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you set up an online store, whether it's through your own website or a platform like Shopify or Ecommerce. This is where you'll showcase the products you want to sell. Step 2, you find suppliers who are willing to dropship their products. These could be manufacturers, wholesalers, or other retailers. You then add their products to your store and set your own prices, essentially acting as a middleman. Step 3, when a customer places an order on your store, you forward that order and shipment details to your supplier. They then ship the product directly to the customer, and you keep the difference between the price you charge the customer and the price the supplier charges you. And bam, you've made a sale without ever having to touch the product. And that's dropshipping, a great way to your online entrepreneurial journey. It offers a low-risk entry point, bypassing the need for hefty upfront investments in inventory. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to leave questions or comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.